Good morning. It is like 8:30 a.m. and I am out by myself. We had to pick up a car from the shop, so my husband and I just did that. I have my car back, and we were right over by Trader Joe's, so I decided it's time for a Trader Joe's haul. I have not done a grocery haul video in quite some time, so I figured might as well. I'm out here by myself, might as well go through Trader Joe's with you guys. My grocery hauls have changed since my diet has changed. Although my grocery hauls haven't changed a ton because my family's diet hasn't changed a lot. I am just one of 6 in the house. And you know, so my diet change does affect the grocery hauls, but not completely. So I'm gonna head in here and do some shopping. Also after, I'm gonna go over to Costco and do a little Costco haul there. So we're gonna get all the shopping hauls in here. Before we get started, I wanna say thank you to Element, who is sponsoring today's video. One thing that I do not buy at Trader Joe's or Costco is my electrolytes. I trust Element for my electrolytes. They are a high quality electrolyte supplement that comes in so many delicious flavors, both like refreshing fruity flavors as well as warm chocolatey flavors. Seasons are changing. It is slowly starting to become fall, and so I am slowly starting to get some cravings for like the chocolate caramel and the chocolate salt in a nice warm drink. So that I'm going to be shifting over to that here pretty soon. Right now I still have my cold electrolytes with my ice in here. I did grapefruit. I remember. I did a combination of grapefruit and raspberry in here. I love mixing raspberry with the citrus flavors. Anyways, if you want to try out Element and see if it's right for you, you can get a free sample pack just by using my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click the link down in the description, go over to the website and place an order for anything, and you will automatically get a free sample pack added to your order. The sample pack has 8 sticks in it. The sticks look like this, and there will be 2 of each of their 4 most popular fruity flavors, so you can try out the popular ones, or it's a great way to share Element with a friend. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring the video today, and now I am going to head in to Trader Joe's. So this is a new Trader Joe's that opened up a few months ago, I think, and I don't think I've ever done a grocery haul at this Trader Joe's, so that's going to be kind of fun. I do miss having my kids with me when I do grocery hauls because it looks like I'm talking to myself when I don't have anybody with me, so bummer for that. Oh, it is fall. We got some nice pumpkins, fantasy mix pumpkins and gourds. Ooh, look at these. These are cute, and I smell the cinnamon already. Oh, those are super cute. How much? $10? I don't know, I'm tempted. We got some wool pumpkins, and then this is what I smell. The cinnamon broom, cinnamon whisk. It's $1.29. I'm gonna get one of those. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get one for an area in the kitchen. I think it'll look pretty. We'll see. Got the squashes, delicata squash, only $1.49 each. That seems not very expensive. I'm gonna get one of these. $1.99 for butternut. I'm gonna get a couple of these. Oh, it just feels like fall. I got one of these for a treat last time I was here, and it was really good. And there's no seed oils in the cashew dipping sauce. It's just made with cashews instead of oil. Anyways, I might grab another one of these just for a nice, easy lunch. They have a lot of different kinds of egg bites now. Let's see, cheddar, turkey sausage, cheese and bacon, vegetable, hash, cheese, spinach, and kale. Haven't seen this before. Refrigerator section, bone broth. That's pretty cool. Don't think I need any dried fruit or nuts today. It is pumpkin spice time, so we've got all the pumpkins. Oh, and Honeycrisp apple granola, pumpkin O's, pumpkin rooibos tea. Also got the pumpkin ravioli, pumpkin gnocchi. grab a couple of salsas. Medium. This is a good hummus without seed oils. It just has the tahini in there, so it does have the sesame seed, pureed sesame seeds. But other than that, it doesn't have any like soybean oil or anything. Love these. I'm gonna give this a try. Looks kind of good. Oh my goodness, look at all those ingredients. It's amazing. Apricot shortbread, got some dog treats, freeze-dried watermelon candies, okay, pretzels, sparkling water, tangerine vanilla, and fried shallots. Those look interesting. Shallots and palm oil. Got all the pumpkin spice in the cookie department. Ooh, that's cute. Just gonna grab a few cauliflower gnocchi. Always gotta stock up on that. No spices I need, I don't think. I always gotta check and see if they have anything new. Don't see anything. Alright, I always stock up on jasmine rice. It's organic, and it is the cheapest I have found. These look fun. Maple flavored marshmallows. I'm gonna try this. It's rice flour and tapioca. The kids will probably think this is fun. Okay, I love the candles in these little jars. These are so cute. I'm tempted. I think I'm gonna do it. I got the Honeycrisp apple again. Vanilla pumpkin again. Love these crackers. So I'm stocking up on those. This is interesting. It's like whipped maple syrup, I guess. We'll do a quick back at the car grocery haul. I got my 3 squashes here and my cinnamon whisk. This bag is just, I think, what did I get? 6 bags of the rice crackers. We like these for, you know, like entertaining and stuff, so I like to stock up on those. In here we got some organic cabbage. I stocked up on organic tortillas for the kids. I got 6 of those. And then this whole rest of the bag is jasmine rice. I got 12 packs. They're 2 pounds each. And I found that this organic jasmine rice is cheaper even than Azure Standard, like buying a 25-pound bag. So I just stock up on it here, and it's really convenient in these little bags. I usually will just cook 1 bag at a time, so that is super nice. Then in here we have all of the fun stuff. We got the mochi pancake waffle mix. We got the fall scented candle trio, spiced pear, falling leaves, and what does it say? Vanilla woods. Those are super cute. I got my pretty garland salsa medium. Got our creamy delicious hummus. Oh, creamy dreamy hummus. Got some organic butter lettuce. Have my spring rolls with cashew dipping sauce. Mango pineapple pico de gallo. 4 packs of the cauliflower gnocchi. Decided to try the organic maple butter. Looked so good. I got some Persian mini cucumbers and the sesame crusted hardwood smoked ahi tuna. That one looked really good. All right, I think that is it. And there's the receipt if anyone's curious about any prices. The total that I spent was $169.05. In Costco now. I don't think it's going to be a big Costco haul, but I really shouldn't say that, because anytime I say that, that means it's going to be big. Ooh, Vital Proteins is on sale. Oh, it looks like Kirkland is getting in on the beef stick game. 12 count for $12.99. That's not too bad. Let's see what the ingredients look like. Not bad, not bad. These are different. Chimichurri sticks. Wow. $14.59 for 12. Need some more figs. I don't think I need dates, but I might just stock up on figs. What's this? Fuji apple sticks. Soft and chewy. Oh, just one ingredient. That's pretty cool. Sourdough is all the rage these days. Costco has the classic Tupperwares, different colors. Those are cute. These are cute jars. I like those, but I don't need them. I'm gonna get another pack of these. We broke one not too long ago and they come in so handy. Kids needed some more potatoes for their air fryer French fries. Kind of wanted some sweet potatoes. They still have the big watermelons. We have been enjoying them all summer. Maybe this is the last of the summer, but we'll go ahead and get a couple more while we're here. Cart is getting full. Although I do have paper towels, toilet paper, and a 2-pack of pillows in there. I'm gonna do a quick back of the car grocery haul. I have my paper towels and toilet paper here. I got a bag of smoker pellets. I have a smoker now, so I'm gonna try the cheap Costco ones. I got some dried fruit, 2 bags of dried mango, 2 bags of figs, and then I got my 3-pack of the Pyrex measuring cups. Love those. I got a big bag of russet potatoes. The kids are constantly making air fryer French fries, so they needed some more. I got a 3-pack of orange juice. I got a box of ginger lemonade kombucha. Love this one. The kids needed more olives for pizza. I got 2 boxes of the Simple Mills almond flour crackers, a bag of, are these organic? Yeah, organic sweet potatoes. I got 2 kinds of butter. Got the fancy butter, which is the New Zealand one. It's really good. And just some regular butter. I got a big pack of cream cheese. I love this because it's not in a tub. You don't have to open the whole thing at once. You can just open 1 bar at a time, so it lasts a lot longer for us. I got a bag of coffee. I got some organic plain Greek yogurt, some salami, and 1 pack of the Amy Lou breakfast sausages. We love these, but they weren't on sale, so I just got 1 package instead of stocking up. Then in here I have 3 packs of bananas and just 1 pack of organic carrots. I also got a 2-pack of pillows. One of the kids needed a new pillow, so grabbed those. The only other thing is in the back seat here, I've got our 2 giant watermelons. There is a quick peek at the receipt if you're curious about any of the prices. The total I spent was $337.51, and these days that is a smaller Costco haul, unfortunately.